In this video, I'll show you how to redeem a coupon code in Base44 so you can unlock discounts on premium plans. Start by signing into your Base44 account and go to your dashboard. From here, click on your workspace name in the top right corner and then choose Billing. On the billing page, you'll see the different paid plans available, such as Starter, Builder, Pro, and Elite. These plans give you more credits and advanced features, but before you subscribe, scroll down the page carefully. At the bottom, you'll find a small link that says Have a Coupon Code. It can be easy to miss, but this is where you'll apply your discount. Click on it, enter your coupon code, and then press Apply. Once you do that, the prices for the plans will automatically update to reflect the discount. For example, if you have a 20% or 30% off coupon, you'll instantly see the lower price before you complete the upgrade. And that's it. That's how you redeem a coupon code in Base44. Always check if you have a promo before upgrading to make sure you get the best deal possible. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more Base44 tutorials.